Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So Sagittarius, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Sagittarius, as usual, let's start with the angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll get on with your reading, okay? Oops. So, angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Sagittarius, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Sagittarius. Okay, so this one. Great. Let's put these back, Sagittarius. And let's start your reading. Activist, time to take action, it seems. It's going to be an action-filled weekend, it seems, for you, Sagittarius. Why is that? Let's see. Let's open your cards and check it out. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. So this is just going to be a mini read, Sagis, just to check on your weekend energies, check how you guys are doing, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me at my email in the description box below. So Sagis, let's see, Justice. Okay, some of you could be dealing with a Libra or looking for justice in a situation. Let's see why this card is here. First card I have for you here is the Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay. Nine of Cups, King of Cups, Ten of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, Sagittarius, it seems that the person you were dealing with maybe in the past, even though this person made you feel very, very happy, emotionally happy, you soon realized maybe that this person is not the most consistent, right? They dip in and out of your life, maybe they are there just for the passion, maybe they kind of leave you out in the cold whenever they leave. Whenever they are around, I think this person really makes you very happy, but when they leave, you end up feeling rather foolish. So now you've coming to realize that maybe this person is emotionally manipulating you and just creating delays for the sake of it. They come in with hot passion maybe. When they leave you feeling sad and lonely and upset, and you have temporary happiness and then some delays maybe, and even though you feel that this is the love of my life, you have a lot of passion for this person and you want to move ahead with this King of Cups here. When you guys are together, it seems like real fun, but I think you're now coming to the realization that this person may be offering you a cup of love sometimes, but they don't stay for long, and the delays really don't work for you. Heart of hearts, I think you do feel that there is some kind of a soulmate bond, deep love between the two of you, but I think now you're making an active choice, or maybe you've seen through their manipulation now, and things have come to quite a halt now. You're ending this altogether and maybe moving towards new love, right? I do see new love coming your way, Sagittarius. I want to see what this Ten of Swords is then. Why is my Saggy feeling in the Ten of Swords energy, Spirit? Why is my Saggy feeling okay? No wonder. Yes, Saggis, I think you are now kind of putting an end to anyone who's going to bring you, come towards you with empty promises. You feel people, this person maybe has been coming to you quick and fast and, offering you romantic offers, maybe he's singing love songs and leaving quite, they come in with all this passion and sweetness, and then they kind of create a fight or say something which creates a delay There's no new beginning here, and any new beginning, even in your mind, just comes to a stagnancy here. Okay, there is it ends. Why? Because somebody doesn't want to put the effort in, not working towards the relationship to make it the way the other person would like it. Okay, so I think in one person's mind, Sagittarius, this could be you. You could be thinking that you, even though you love this person, you feel a soulmate bond, this person makes you happy, you would like this movement forward. You're coming to the realization that it's becoming clearer now that this could be maybe just in your mind, and now it's becoming clearer and clearer. Their manipulation is becoming clearer and clearer to you as the days go by. Yeah, now you realize that this person doesn't really put in work, and nor do you want to put in work, and it's kind of leading to a conflict. Maybe this person had gotten used to you always, waiting around or being around, and now that you're coming to that realization and standing in your power, right, as the Queen of Pentacles, and you're no longer showing that same kind of passion or interest in this other person, there could be a little bit of conflict here, Sagittarius. So Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I think Sagittarius, you are now looking for justice. No wonder this card was here. You feel that, whatever I invest in, I have to see whether it's worth my investment, right? You feel you're putting in so much, but where is the harvest? So right now, from what I see, Sagittarius, you are taking back charge of your life, right? You want to take back control, you want to take back charge of your life, you want to go towards something in the right direction, which will actually make your wishes come true, give you some satisfaction. This could be you, Sagittarius, putting all your effort and your passion into your work, maybe to stabilize yourself and move to a prosperous future, or move towards somebody who will respect you as that perfect spouse or the perfect person who is worth loving, because the Queen of Pentacles is a character, not male or female. It embodies somebody who is loving, caring, generous, abundant, self-sufficient, looks after themselves, and not just themselves, they look after everybody around them as well. So now I think you are wanting to take back control of your life, Sagittarius, and you are healing now, and you are maybe tapping into your spirituality as well, and moving towards justice for yourself. Okay, so let's see here what's happening. Oh, Five of Wands is here again. The conflict, crossroads, and the Knight of Swords. Yes, I think Sagittarius, there's somebody here who's going to be upset with your newfound confidence of wanting to take action and wanting justice for yourself. So, Five of Wands, Spirit. Why is the Five of Wands here again for them? Too many cards. One card, Spirit. Five of Wands. Yes, Sagittarius, as you pull away, your love, maybe you were the kind, nurturing person in the past, and now you're no longer showing off your affection, and you're communicating that to this person that, hey, I'm taking back my love. I'm not satisfied, so I might as well give this love to myself now and to my, to my future. There could be a bit of conflict in this conversation, so be wary this weekend, Sagittarius, if you're having a conversation with this person. Yes, there is a lot of love here, I feel, and but despite this love, I see a conflict. Why is the love here, Spirit, and the conflict? Yes, this because now whatever the soulmate connection that you felt, Sagittarius, as somebody from your past, somebody you had a soulmate bond with, now the memories that this person has created with you are not the best, right? They've kind of spoiled this, memory of the soulmate connection with you, and when you are trying to discuss it with them, it kind of leads to a fight or a conflict, or this could be self-conflict as well. Being too wrapped up in the love that you felt for this person, and feeling conflicted and feeling at crossroads now to see, what do I do now? Like, where should I go now? Like planning crossroads, right? Crossroads is when you are at that place in your life where you have to make a decision whether to move left or right, or where do you want to go now next. So, Two of Wands, Spirit. Yes, you are the Empress, right? You want to be respected. You want that growth. You command attention. You don't just demand it. And maybe this person has not been showing you that kind of respect or love or care that you an Empress should get. So you are now planning to maybe take back your power, take back your control as the Emperor, and kind of work towards your own empire, it seems. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Somebody would like to not finish this, I think. They want to still charge towards you. Sagittarius, I feel. Somebody wants to return here, but this person seems a bit immature. Whatever energy they're coming in with you, for you is still a very small offer. They are still that immature energy who rushes in, still doesn't know how to communicate. I mean, this is not an equal match, I would feel, to what the energy that I see of you. You are embodying not just the Empress, but the Emperor as well within yourself, right? So you are kind of becoming clear about that, and you are now wanting to kind of bring back justice to your own life. This conflict this person brings is because now, Saggies, you are now asking direct questions, right? Look at this, these two people, both with their swords up, right? So whenever this person is going to come to you with any bullshit, there is somebody else with their sword up to say, hey, listen, I need to know answers. Where's this going? Or, what are you doing and why do you behave like this? And this is something that this person is not used to and is not going to like it. And that's what I think can lead to a bit of conflict. So this is a heads up. Sagittarius, be very careful. Yes, you are now, I think, feeling betrayed and also feeling that this is a relationship now that it's impossible to carry forward or work with in the future. So I think this is kind of getting over, and with all the love in the heart that you feel it's time to put it to rest. But this other person is still kind of in shock with your decision, is not wanting to accept it maybe. And if you do have a communication with this person, try and avoid it if possible this weekend, because it can possibly lead to a fight. Okay, so Ajis, that's all I have for you. Don't sit in this energy for too long of looking back at the past in all your regret and stress and tension and having to make a decision. Yes, you could be feeling that this is the right time now to release this toxicity from your life altogether, because this relationship that just doesn't seem balanced and doesn't give you that healing. And it's time to now bring back justice in your life. Second time this justice card is out. Okay, so in case you guys need to reach me, you can reach me for a private reading as well. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. A quick love bite, and we will meet now for the longer reads very soon. Love and light. Take care.